Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Looking ahead at the economic calendar, crucial data announcements are expected, offering insight into market trends and trader sentiment. Be prepared for potential shifts in asset pricing as these reports are revealed. With the potential for varying outcomes, these economic events may shift the market landscape. Keeping updated ensures readiness for any changes that come.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices slipped, marking a third straight day of declines as investors considered the impact of US sanctions against Russia's two biggest oil companies on global supply, along with the potential OPEC Plus plan to raise output. Nvidia was on the verge of becoming the first company worth $5 trillion after the heavyweight chipmaker said it had $500 billion in bookings for its artificial intelligence processors and that it will build 7 new supercomputers for the US Department of Energy. Financial services company Western Union is set to pilot a stablecoin-based settlement system to modernize its remittance operations for its more than 150 million customers. Western Union processes around 70 million transfers each quarter.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.4% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.9% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.